Alright, it's about Shamiz right over here. Now I'm back with a very impromptu video, and this is a very frequently asked question. Now people have been constantly asking me, Shayon, how do you get these custom backgrounds on your Instagram stories? Now you might have seen it as well. People share some post on the stories with a custom background and you're scratching your head figuring out how did they do that. Now a lot of people have covered up this similar topic, including my friends as well, but none of them have tend to work for me, and no one has even talked about my preferred style of doing it. So today I'll be showing you just that. So the two main apps that you'll be needing for this process is Instagram and Over. Instagram, obviously. Duh. Okay, and also an image searching app. Now my preferred option is Pinterest because you have the most amazing illustrations over there, but you can go for anything. You can go for Google Images, and you also have an option to go with the Over's inbuilt image search. Now that's up to you. For Android users, you just need one more additional app which is known as Gbox. I'll leave the link in the description. So in Apple devices, you have the option to directly copy the image from the gallery and paste it on your Instagram story as a sticker, but in Android you don't have that option. So Gbox keyboard gives you that ability to actually put a picture on your story as a sticker, and then you can customize it. Now I'll show you how to use that, but for iOS devices 3 apps, and for Android devices there's just one additional app which is Gbox keyboard. Link in description. Now getting started, go on to Pinterest and just look for any pictures that you like. So my most preferred pictures basically go for an illustration, so maybe I'll go with this. So just click on these 3 dots over here, go on download image, and your image is downloaded. Now go on to Over. So when you open Over for the first time, it'll tell you to log into your any account, Google or Facebook. Just log in and then create your own profile. That's it. It's you don't have to post anything. It's just to back up your stuff. That's it. Now once you click over here, you have a ton of options, so don't get intimidated. Just stay with me, okay? It's very easy. Just click on transparent over here on the top panel and go on slide next to 9:16. Click on the tick mark, and this is basically your panel. Now go on to images on the bottom left, click your image, resize it. That looks fine, I guess. Now you can make some adjustments over here. You have your filters over here as well. Let me just play around a bit here and there. Now that's done. Let me just put it a bit of a blur over there. I think that's done. Now what you have to do is go to the rightmost option to mask. This is the most important step. Now once you go to mask, you go and click the first option over here, zoom in a bit and make a small tiny X box, like just over there, a small box. Click on the tick mark and go save it. Now it's saved your photos. Now for Android users, you can basically go to Instagram directly and then paste the picture as a sticker, but for Apple users you have to just go to your gallery and go to your image, select the bottom share option and go and click on copy. Once that's copied, it's copied as a sticker now. So basically now that you head on Instagram, imagine you want to share this post over here. You click on add to story. Now this is to your story. Go on the text panel on the top and just click on paste. Now this is pasted as a sticker. Now make sure it is aligned properly with the background over there. I think this looks fine. And be careful when you're doing this. Click on the middle part. Voila, it's done. It's literally that simple. Now once that's done, you can just move around, play around with it, add some text, maybe new post, new post and stuff, play around, and that's it. Basically that's the entire process of doing this. You can choose whatever picture you want to. Now imagine if that doesn't happen, if you choose a picture in which you can't select the background picture, then most probably the picture does not have the resolution to fit into the whole thing. Now don't panic, it's easy. All you need to do is take a screenshot of the picture from your gallery and just do the same process that I've done, and you'll be done in no time making that picture as your custom background. Now it's that simple. Once you've done that, you can just share it on your story and that's it. Now be very careful when you add text, because what happens most of the time is if you have a text over here, if you put it somewhere over there and you can't click directly on the text, you might just mistakenly click on the background and you'll miss all your text. So make sure that when you have your text selected, you put it directly right over there somewhere like that, so that you don't touch the background, because once you touch the background, it's a sticker. So it's not a background, it's actually a sticker. So when you click on that, it just selects that as the top layer. So that's all the precautions you need, and basically that's the most simple process that I follow. It is a bit complicated, but it works all the time for me, and I find it the most useful for me. Hope you guys like this video as well. If you guys did, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This is not the usual way I make my videos. I usually make vlogs, challenge videos. If you guys are interested, you can watch those as well, all in my channel. And I also put some over here on the cards panel. Like, just click on the eye somewhere over here and you'll find a list of videos that I have on my channels. So thank you so much for this video. Hope this was helpful for you. If you guys have any queries, leave them down in the comments, or you can go to my Instagram at Shanbiz, and you can text me over there. My message option is literally open for any type of queries. So if you have any queries regarding your cameras, anything like, you know, regarding social media, anything, you can ask me over there about photography as well. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Till then, peace out. Shanbiz over and out. Bye.
Perfect.